Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of MetaTrader 4. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. There isn't essentially any way that you can log out of MetaTrader 4, but instead what you can do is go to your settings, click to your account, and click plus button and switch new account. Or you can also delete this app and reinstall it and you can log out of this MetaTrader 4 account. That's a couple of ways that you can log out of this account. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.